the writers of the Constitution decided to also change the legislature. In the Articles of Confederation legislature, there was one house, and each state had one vote regardless of the size of the state. When they decided to scrap the articles, they decided to also reform the legislative branch. Virginia, a large state, came to the Constitutional Convention led by James Madison, and they wanted a radically different system. They wanted a two-house legislature, and in both houses they wanted to apportion or decide the number of representatives for each state based on population. So larger states would have a larger say in the government, smaller states would have less say. Small states like New Jersey, they didn't like this, and they developed what's called the New Jersey Plan. They wanted to keep essentially the same structure as the Articles of Confederation government, where there'd be one house and one vote per state. This wasn't going to work for the large states. What ended up happening was a compromise was reached. It's called the Great Compromise, and they smushed those two plans together. Virginia, from the Virginia plan, they created the House of Representatives. We get a two-house legislature. The first is the House of Representatives, where larger states would have more representation than smaller states. And then they took the New Jersey plan and added the second house, which is called the Senate. And the Senate, there would be 2 votes per state, regardless of size. So what we get is a combination of both the Virginia and the New Jersey plan called the Great Compromise, and it's a system we basically have today.